What's up, everybody? This is Carolina Mike. A few people have asked me, hey, how do you find tournaments on the USTA website? And there are none happening in my area. How do I find ones that are further out? Well, stay tuned. We're going to show you how to do that. All right, first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to USTA.com. From there, you're going to go to Play Tennis, and then you're going to click on Find Tournament. Now, you can go ahead and select a few key items like, are you looking for junior or adult? So adult, and we'll put in a zip code. And you can also choose the date. I meant to click that or change the date. So you can go from today through, let's go through December. Okay. And we can search again. Now, you're going to find a few. If you don't find anything that pertains to you, or you're looking for something, like in this instance, there's nothing for just regular USTA 18 and over. We got WTN, but we got USTA 65 and older. Or 65s rather. So what you can do is you can say, okay, well, I just want to see everything that is a little bit further out. And in order to do that, you have to get rid of this filter here for the within 100 miles. This is the default. And so you can clear that. And then you're going to get like a whole bunch of results. That's a lot of results. Okay. Well, in order to trim that down, take a look at what you're trying to compete in and just trim it down to that. Or, what level you're seeking. So you can choose a level. Let's just choose, we'll choose everything here that is open, because if it's closed, you're going to have to live in that location. And we already saw that there's nothing local. So there's no point in us trying to go to closed. We'll go open here. There we go. And if you're looking to gain points, you're going to want an unsanctioned match is not going to give you tournament points. Okay. So then you can choose, your gender and then what rating you want to play. And if you want to play multiple levels, you can choose multiples, and you can choose your age range. So if you're looking for open, 18 over, 40 and over, we'll just leave it like that. And let's see, we got 365 results. Now, what's the closest one? We'll go to the where it says date here, and we'll change it to distance, and you should see your nearest tournament with all of these particular criteria. So there you go. Hopefully this has been helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, share, do the best you can, and tennis rocks. Take it easy, y'all.